Crazy crab lady using her shovel to get her crab. She's a psycho for that crab. Well, I'd hate to be her. She ain't ever getting that crabby wabby. You're crazy to get that crab, aren't you, Jenna?
Got him out.
She got him out. Crazy crab lady got the crab out. What a surprise. She will not stop till she gets that crab. Oh wait, that crab's outsmarting her.
I got him.
Where is he? Is he on the shovel?
Yes.
Crazy crab lady got the crab on the shovel. You're gonna kill it? Crazy crab lady is about to kill, or trying to kill, the crab. Dun dun dun.